So today we're going to learn how to do some simple self-hypnosis, because being able to relax at will is a very powerful resource. The more you practice it, the better at it you get. The 5 primary stages of self-hypnosis are: 1. Make yourself comfortable. So remove your contact lenses, loosen your collar or belt, go to the toilet, etc. 2. Set the intent or purpose for the trance. For example, relaxation, energy regeneration, problem solving, etc. 3. Set a time limit for your trance and ensure that you will not be disturbed. 4. Set a safety net. In other words, create a safety statement for your protection, which I'll come to in just a moment. And then 5, begin the induction. So let's talk about the safety net. Now, this is a statement that's important in order to set clear and precise boundaries for what you wish to accomplish in trance. For example, I'm going to go into trance for the next 20 minutes. During this time, I'm going to do X in order to do Y. So I'm going to relax in order to feel less anxious. If during that time anything should call into question my continuing health and well-being, or if for any reason or emergency I will awaken immediately to normal waking consciousness with all the resources that I need to effectively deal with the situation. A statement like that. Then, at the end of the 20-minute trance, I will awaken having accomplished my task with a sense of energy and refreshment. Remember, you're always ultimately in control of your experience. Remember, no one has ever been able to not come out of a trance. Going into trance and coming out of trance is as natural as sleeping and waking. So this trance we're about to do is called the nested images induction. So if it's safe to do so, close your eyes. And I'd like you to imagine how you would look if you were twice as relaxed as you are right now. And then imagine floating into that more relaxed you. See through the eyes of your more relaxed self. Hear how it sounds gentle and different. And feel how it feels to be so relaxed. And then from this place, I'd like you to imagine how you would look if you were twice as relaxed as you are right now. And float in to that more relaxed you. See through the eyes of your more relaxed self. Hear your internal dialogue. Slow down and feel how good it feels to be this relaxed. And then from this place, imagine how you would look if you were twice as relaxed as you are right now. And then float in to that even more relaxed you. See through the eyes of your more relaxed self. Hear how gentle everything sounds. And feel how relaxed it feels right now. And from this place of deep relaxation, soon it will be time to return to normal waking consciousness, feeling refreshed, relaxed and alert, calm and confident, with a renewed sense of optimism and deep inner joy. That's right, beginning to come back to normal waking consciousness now. So I count back from 10 to 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ooh, and you might want to stretch and yawn as you awaken. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's the technique to induce self-hypnosis. Obviously, the more you practice it, the better at it you get. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy using it for many years to come.